I hope you have already installed the creatureChat mod and then getting this error. That's why you watching this video to solve this error. If you haven't already installed the mod, you can watch this video up right in the I button. Watch that video, and if you are getting this error, we are going to solve this error in this video. So you have to open your Chrome and search for the Ollama. And when you search it, the first website will appear. Open that website and then click on the download button. Click on the Windows and then download it. And this will gonna be like 700 megabytes, you know. So once it is download, you have to uh, install it, and it will take some time. And don't worry, after installing it will disappear from the screen, but you don't have to worry about it because you are not going to use the application UI. You have to use command line prompt for this one, so don't worry. So once it is downloaded, it will be disappear. Then go to your search bar and search for the command prompt and open command prompt as administration and write Ollama and enter, and it will show this, and that means your Ollama is installed. If it is saying Ollama is not recognized, install Ollama again because it's not installed properly. Okay, now you can do two things to install Ollama. You can simply just write Ollama run Ollama 3, and it will automatically install it. And you can also pull it, so I am going to use run prompt. Basically this is used for starting the Llama 3. This also install if it is not installed, so we are going to use same prompt so that you don't have to worry about it later, and it will automatically start to download. Once it will download, it will look something like this. Okay, there will be 500% download list, and a succeed message, and a message asking you for sending the message to Llama 3, of course, so that you can talk to him. And now you can talk to him. I am simply going to say hi, and he will reply to me, and that proves that our language model is now working. So now we have to put that language model into the Minecraft. And if you have watched my previous video, you know how slow Llama 3 works. So what another thing you can do is you can also download TinyLlama. It is very small. The Llama 3 is 8 billion version, and this one is 1 billion version. So it will work very fast. So you can run Ollama, run TinyLlama as I have done. And once it is completed, you can also talk to him. Now we are good to go. As you can see, he's talking to me. So now we can open Minecraft and set any of the model. Then so now I'm going to talk to some animal I see, and this is gonna show the Discord error. BRB asking for the villager for the direction, and if I see in the next page, it is saying to go on Discord. So we are going to fix this. Uh, this is not an error. First of all, this is just he's asking for a model to work. So as you can see, here we have two setups: guide for LLM setup and guide for API setup. I will first tell you the LLM setup, then I will tell you API setup. So in LLM setup, you have to copy the first line, copy it and go back and paste it. It is just telling us where our language model are working, which means where we install them, where are they running. So I have to set it, and I set it. And the second command is creatureChat, and then model set to Llama 3. Here I am going to set it to TinyLlama because TinyLlama is faster, and in the end I will show you why I didn't use Llama 3. So we have also set it the TinyLlama, and now we are going to run the third command, which is creatureChat timeout set 0. Now we can go to and talk to any entity, and the first thing it is going to say will be NA, and that will take a lot of time. But because this is TinyLlama, so it is going to talk dumb things which are literally not related to the game, and it's like it's useless. So we are not going to use TinyLlama. We are going to use Llama 3, and it will going to be very slow. So if you use Llama 3, it will be very slow. If you use TinyLlama, it will be confusing, and the game is not going to react as you want. So now if I want to set our Llama 3, I am going to use three commands. First command is setting the host, and the second command we will use will be the Llama 3, and the third command we will use will be the host time set, uh, timeout set 0. So these three will make it work, and then I will summon a cow to check it. We are not going to use this chicken again, because once they are start showing discord, they will keep showing discord. So don't trust on them. Just try on a new mob or in a new world. So I right clicked on that chat icon. So say started thinking it will take a lot of time in first time, because it's the model is loading in the Minecraft, so it will gonna take a lot of time. I am going to fast forward the video. When she replied, she said something, but it is in the blog, so we are going to plus you, what's your business? So I am going to ask her am I and who are you? So let's see what she replies. She said, don't know about you, but I am extraordinary, and from where I see Wesley Explorer trying to ruin my plants. She's saying that we are ruining his plants. Oh, now I asked her for a dead joke. Let's see what she tells us. Why did Mushroom go to the party? Because he was fungi. Oh, yeah, I know, my jokes are amazing. Now the problem arises that if we use Llama 3, our model will gonna react very slow, and if we use TinyLlama and something lesser billion version, it will gonna respond very naive. So what we can do is we can use API, but API is not free. But here in the next video, I will show you how to get a free API. So watch the next video and make sure to subscribe if you like the video.